Now let's evaluate each limit by using theorems that we discussed earlier. We have to evaluate 2x plus 4 as x approaches 3, right? Now, as you know, when you have two things being added up or subtracted, you can apply the limit separately on each of them. So the 2x plus 4 as x approaches 3 can be written down as 2x as x approaches 3 plus 4 as x approaches 3, right? And you also know in the theorem that when a constant is being multiplied, right, with a variable and the limit is being applied on the variable, you can take the constant outside, right? So the limit of 2x can be written down as 2 into x as x approaches 3. And you can just write down the constant 4 as it is because you cannot apply the limit on it. X approaches 3 is being applied on the variable x. You have no variable over here, so 4 just becomes 4, right? Now, the limit of x as x approaches 3 is just 3, right? So 2 into 3, and that becomes 6 plus 4, which is 10, right? So this is just a very simple example. Now let's see this example over here. You have the under root of x squared plus x plus 4 as x approaches 3. Now again, the power of the under root is, well, it is equal to, basically this entire term is equal to the limit of x approaches 3 and the square root can be written down as the power 1 by 2, right? Now this power over here, you can write the limit inside of it. You can take the limit inside the bracket and apply the power as a whole. So now you have x squared plus x plus 4 as x approaches 3 whole to the power 1 by 2, right? Now inside this bracket, you can apply the limit separately on the x squared, the x, and the 4, right? So you have this. Now this term over here becomes 4 because again it's a constant. You cannot apply a limit on it. But these two you can apply the limit on. So the x squared becomes 3 squared. The x becomes 3 and the 4 remains as it is. So this becomes 9 plus 3 plus 4 to the power 1 by 2. And that becomes 16 to the power 1 by 2, which is just under root 16, and that is equal to, well, that is equal to 4, right? And so these are just very simple problems by using the theorems of limits that we've discussed.